Hello and welcome to the video. Today, we'll show you how to install a roof rack system for vehicles with raised roof rails. Raised roof rails are factory installed rails that sit above the roof, leaving a visible gap underneath. This allows roof rack crossbars to mount directly onto the rails using dedicated brackets. Once you confirm your vehicle has raised roof rails, we can begin the installation. Open the box and gather all the tools needed for the installation. Unlock the caps on all of the head units. Insert the head unit into each end of the aluminum profile. Place the head unit on top of your vehicle and align it properly in position. Loosen the bolt on the metal bracket if it's too stiff to place on the car. Or you can use the Allen key to help fit the bracket onto the flush rail. Very important. Tighten the metal bracket that holds the flush rail, working side by side a little at a time until secure. Tighten the yellow knob on the head unit to secure the connection between the head unit and aluminum profile once they are properly aligned. Insert the key into the plastic cap, turn to open, place it on the head unit, then lock it securely. The cap will only open when the key is in the unlock position, so pay attention to that. The lip on the aluminum profile must face the back of the car to reduce noise. Hold the roof rack and shake it rapidly to check security. If installed correctly, the vehicle will move, not the rack. And this is how the roof rack looks once it's fully installed. For more details and compatibility information, visit our website at powauto.com. You can find the link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching.